July's FOMC meeting has concluded and we've received a 0.25% interest rate hike. Now this does sound kind of bearish, but at this point I could not be more bullish. In this video I'm going to show you exactly why that is and what you can be expecting coming up. Let's jump into it. First things first, some trade confident announcements. We have another 4% trade win on Solana called out a couple days ago, July 24th. This puts us at 56 wins, 0 losses, and with that we posted some new trade setups for our members to check out. If you want to check out those trades, we have the highest win record on YouTube right now. Go ahead and join our membership at the links in the description down below. But for now, let's jump into the video. First things first, the news. Let's scroll down to the article. The Federal Reserve lifted interest rates by 1/4 percentage point at its meeting today, but don't expect officials to signal mission accomplished. Inflation is still above the Fed's 2% target. Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated that the central bank's commitment to that goal during his news conference, noting that there's still a long way to go on inflation. However, some economists and market participants say July's rate hike will be the last one of this cycle, citing progress on inflation and a slowing economy. This rate hike officially puts us at a 22-year high on interest rates, and a new word in the FOMC statement signals a more upbeat view of the economy. Let's scroll down really quick here. This is actually what makes me so bullish. Fed staff no longer expects a recession this year. Let me repeat, no longer expects a recession this year. For the past couple of meetings of the Federal Open Market Committee, the central bank staff were predicting a recession would hit the US later this year, even as the economic outlook improved. But they have changed their tune. Chair Jerome Powell reported Wednesday. The staff now has a noticeable slowdown in growth starting this year in the forecast, but given the resilience of the economy recently, they are no longer forecasting a recession, he said. This may very well be the most bullish headline I have seen all of 2023, even through the bear market. This is extremely exciting to see. I talked to Travis about it, and he kind of called it. He called it a little bit ago, saying that recession is not likely. It's all smoke and mirrors, market manipulation, and it looks like he was right. In response, looking at the live charts here, we got a move up. I'm actually going to go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now, the meeting opened at 11 o'clock. That is this candle right here, and in this time, in these 3 candles, let me grab the price measurement tool. We've gone from right here about a 0.83% move up. Now, I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it is pretty bullish. Interestingly, if we take a look at the price versus while money flow and trades in favor, we're seeing fairly bearish signals with a 79% chance of a drop. Moving up to the 4 hour time frame, we're seeing something similar. Price versus while money flow is even higher, with an even higher percent chance of a drop, 79%. Both of these, at least on the lower time frames, tell me we are looking a little bit bearish. However, on the larger 1-day time frame, right here, boom, we are looking at the price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low with an 81% chance of pump. Drastically different readings on these indicators, and let me show you exactly what this is. Right now, you're trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. You're using the TC top and bottom finder, support and resistance levels, trend dashboard, breakout detector, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. These are our absolute favorite indicators to trade in this market. These indicators are actually what won our most recent trades. Again, we're 56 wins, 0 losses in this market. Absolutely insane. And if you're a member, even if you don't own these indicators, if you took those recent scalping trades, including the Solana trade we just won, you've actually used these indicators successfully. So congratulations on those wins. But right now, they are signaling bullish with price versus while money flow low. Whales are manipulating this market, just so you know. Like I just told you, the recession seems like it could have been smoke and mirrors. So whales are responsible for that. They want your money. As retailers, you are basically whale bait to them. You do not want to trade against these guys. They are the market makers. The entire game is theirs. You need to be playing with them, not against them. And with that, we're using the price versus while money flow to do just that. Price versus while money flow, at least in my eyes, is a little bit suspiciously high relative to its other recent bottoms. What this tells me here is it could drop a little bit further. Not much, but I do expect a little bit further of a drop, especially if you remember the 4 hour time frame with its super high, and up here the 1 hour time frame super high as well. I think we could be seeing some moves to the downside pretty quickly here. But on the 1-day time frame, this is not a drastic drop. I think the drop is only going to fall as far as, let me remove the TC top and bottom finder here, structure support at $28,473. Putting that back on, you'll notice several sell signals at this same level, making this a very, very strong structure support. I do not expect it to drop any lower, but I think it is possible based on the lower time frames that we could drop to that level. But after that, I think we're going to be extremely, extremely bullish. At this point, we have formed a higher low. This is what is necessary to continue an uptrend, but I think the low is going to finish out that structure support before moving back to the upside to retest our current 2023 high of $31,862. From there, I truly think it's going to blast off beyond that. Of course, we'll have to keep you updated. You're going to want to pay attention to these indicators as we test that resistance, but I truly think if we scroll out here, we are going to see a little bit too far. Let me scroll in a little bit and move it over. Boom, right here. I think 32,383 is our next structural resistance, followed by $34,322. Let's say we do drop to that structure support from the current price. This will be a drop, boom, to about negative 3.67%. But if we go right here, starting from that support and then moving up to that structural resistance at $34,300, this is a 20% move to the upside. I am thinking we are going to see a massive move up like that for the next move. You can see how significant these moves up are whenever we see higher highs. In Bitcoin, they tend to be absolutely insane. Then, of course, we'll have to form a higher low. We'll have to figure out where that is because we are getting a little bit ahead of ourselves there. But for now, a drop to $28,473 just because lower time frames here are showing very bearish, followed by, going back to the higher time frames, a move up of 20% to 34,322 is what I'm expecting based on our indicator readings. Now, you need to get access to these indicators. They are crucial for your trades and sifting through the market manipulation from the whales. You need to be trading with them. The price versus one money flow is going to help you with that. Combine that with the trades in favor, breakout detector, TC top and bottom finder, support and resistance levels, and trend dashboard. You will be unstoppable as a trader. Now, you can get some pretty hefty discounts on these indicators. Let me show you how to do that real quick. If you want to grab these indicators, you can do so at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our pro indicator page. Our TC top and bottom finder and pro indicator pack are our flagship indicators. Really quick, this person earned 16% with us. This person is up over 9,000 with their account up over 39%. Absolutely amazing what these people have been able to accomplish with these indicators. Our members get an exclusive $150 off these indicators. This is actually much more significant than the non-member discount. In fact, it's actually cheaper to get a membership, hang out with us for a month, and you'll still have plenty of discount left over to beat the non-member discount. What you're going to want to do is sign up for our membership and then access this coupon code. From there, click the Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Go ahead and click add to cart. From there, you'll notice $848 is your total. Subtract $150 off from the member discount. Boom, you get $698. Now, if you bought our previous bundle pack, you can actually take an extra $100 off that. And if you own our previous bundle pack, you likely already have our TC top and bottom finder too. Subtract another $349 right here. You get all of our brand new indicators for just $249. Absolutely absurd discounts there. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay and you are good to go. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to grab our membership and the indicators at the links in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and we'll see you in the next video.